Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to make a phone calls incoming and outgoing calls on your Windows 11 PC or in your laptop. So for this guys, press Windows key button and here we need to search phone link, okay, and open this app. Now you need to connect this app with your phone, okay. Now it will show you this type of interface. As you can see guys, you can make a calls here and you can also able to send messages and you can also able to receive the messages. So just select your phone, which your phone using, Android or iPhone. So I am using Android phone, okay. Select this and it will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. Just simply log in your account here and then click on add device. So previously I have already add my device, so I will select my previous device from here. So if you are new, so you need to add your Android device. So it will show you one QR code. Just scan that QR code from your Android phone and complete that setup, okay. So I am skipping that process. So just I will select my phone from here and then click on continue. So you need to enable the all permissions from your Android phone, okay, and then click on get started. After the setup was completed, you can get this type of interface. Click on get start button. Now your phone was completely connected to phone link app. Now if you want to make calls like this, so just go to calls section from here and it will ask you to turn on your Bluetooth on your Android as well as on your PC. Just click on setup. Now it will connect your PC to your Android phone via Bluetooth. So just accept the permission on your Android phone. Now your device was pairing. Just click on S and accept same permission on your Android phone as well as, okay. Now click on continue. Now you can easily able to make calls on your PC, okay. You can also get your all call log history on your PC as well as. So as you can see guys, our select the contact which you want to call. You can also able to receive incoming calls in your PC, okay. So this is the easy and very simple method to make a calls on your PC. So not only calls guys, you can also able to access your messages. You can able to send the text messages. You can also able to receive the text messages using this app, okay. So this is the very nice and very useful application. So that's it all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.